at any point where you're like, I don't know about this PE thing because, the pay hasn't been great, or were you working long hours, or was it more like a 50, 60-hour week, but you were enjoying it?
The workload varied depending on whether or not we had a deal that was live.
Right.
Um, I was on a partner track, but the firm was really top heavy. And it was just I could see myself being there for a protracted period of time and not getting to where I wanted to be. So I was trying to figure out ways where I could leverage the experience and skill set that I had developed over the past almost decade,
Yep.
and somehow accelerate my career development.
And so how did you think about like the different options? Like you didn't want to at that point go back to an advisory role that was like off the table for sure, or was it
Yeah,
anything you ever considered it?
not really.
Yeah. So you were just thinking, what other options are there, right? You've done a bunch of deals at this point, right? What were you thinking in terms of options? And then, yeah, I'd love to hear about the actual jump you made
Yeah.
and how you found that position.
Well, I just had an open mind, and I would just softly inquire with some wealthy families and individuals whether or not they were inclined to bring on an investor to support their efforts. And one family that I'd known and met just for a short period of time, but they were looking for someone to start a family office for them. And that the patriarch of the family just so happened to previously work within the same network of private equity firms that I worked at in Dallas before heading off and starting his own business and becoming very successful at that business. So there was just a natural network of people that we knew that allowed him to establish rapport and trust with.